Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to play the journalist role like a pro in hide and seek party in Heartopia. So recently, Heartopia just added a brand new gameplay that called hide and seek party. In here, you and your friends will be randomly assigned role as either a crime case or a journalist. And if you get the journalist role, first, at the start of the match, just pay attention to players who are duplicating furniture to confuse others. So just don't waste time chasing every object you see. Some are just decoys. And once the searching phase begins, carefully scan your surroundings and look for any furniture that feels out of place or suspicious. And as a journalist, you will also get useful clues on the bottom of your screen that showing what types of furniture criminal might be disguised as. And then maybe every 30 seconds you will receive a distance hint to help you track them down. So just pay attention to this hint, and when you find something suspicious around you, just take a photo, and if you are correct, the criminal will be captured instantly with a purple smoke effect, and it will transform again. And okay, that's it. That's a guide to make it easier when you get the role of journalist in this hide and seek party. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.